All right, number 5, we're given this equation, x squared plus y squared equals 9. And we're asked to do two things, to graph this equation on this polar graph and to convert this equation into polar form. So there's a couple ways that we could do this. One is we can look at this and recognize from our study of conic sections that this is going to be a circle. And a circle is in the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where r is the radius and hk is the center. So here you can see we're not subtracting anything from x, we're not subtracting anything from y, so the center is going to be 0, 0. And the radius is going to be the square root of 9, which is 3. So if we were to graph this, we could see right now that this is going to be a circle centered at the origin with a radius of 3. So that's going to be this circle right there. And that's enough to have completely solved this equation. But let me show you another way that we could go about doing this. Remember that we've got these equations to convert between rectangular coordinates and polar coordinates. So one thing that we could do here is notice that r is equal to x squared plus y squared. Well, if we squared both sides of that, we'd get that r squared is equal to, r is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. So if we squared both sides, r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. So we could replace this x squared plus y squared with r squared. And then if we took the square root of both sides, we get that r is equal to plus or minus 3. And so if we graphed that equation, then it would just be all the points that are 3 away from the origin. And so the polar form of this equation is r equals plus or minus 3. It's a circle centered at the origin, and it has a radius of 3.